Hello everyone. Welcome to Linux from Scratch, Episode 4. In this video, we are going to discuss about file permissions in Linux. Before getting into the video, please subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon, so that you won't miss any future videos. Linux uses ownerships, and permissions, for files and directories, to protect against malicious tampering. Sometime you might downloaded a shell script or executable binaries from internet, or you create it by your own and tried to execute, but it says permission denied. You can simply solve this by using command chmod 777 followed by the file name, and then you can see that file gets executed. But what does chmod 777 means? Chmod stands for change mode. This command is used to change the permissions of the file and folders in Linux. 777 means allow the program to read, write, and execute by everyone. It is not recommended to use chmod 777 without knowing its purpose, since it reduces the security by allowing all users to have full control. Let's explore it. You can see the files and folder permissions in Linux by using the command ls-l. Here the first column has 10 characters. That denotes type and permissions. The second column says number of links. We don't need to care about this in this session. The third column denotes user or owner name. The fourth column denotes group name. The fifth column denotes size. 6, 7, and eighth column is time stamp. And last column is name of file or folder. The first character in first column says the type. That is, folder or a file. If it is D, then it is folder. If it is none, then it is file. The next three characters represents permission, for user or owner. The one who creates the file or folder, becomes its owner. R means read. W means write. And X means executable. Here we have R and W. That is, this file can be read, and write, by the owner. The next three characters, represents permission for group. By default, the name of your group, is the same as your login name. Here we have only R. That is, this file is read only, to users in this group. We shall discuss about users, groups and ownerships in next episode. For now, we just discuss about permissions. The next three characters, represents permissions for other users in the system. Here we have only R. So it is read only for other users. Permissions can be set with chmod using characters, and also by octal representation. I personally feel octal representation is simple and easier. Let's explore it with example. Here, the first octal number denotes permission for user or owner. The second octal number is for group. And the third octal number is for others. Remember this octal values. 4 means read, 2 means write, and 1 means execute. To give multiple permissions, simply add the values. For example, 4 means read, 1 means execute. Then, 5 means read and execute. Similarly, 3 means write and execute. Isn't it simple? Let's see an example. Now, I want to create a file named hello.txt. I write something in it. I don't want anyone to edit the content in this file. But, I want the owner to have all permissions. And group to only read the content. And others to only execute it. By default, not even owner can have execute permission. Let's change the permissions. After I created the file, I just change its permission, by typing the command chmod 741. The first octal number 7, means allow owner to read, write, and execute. The second octal 4, means allow group users to only read the file. The third octal 1, means allow other user to execute the file. Note: root can access any files and folders. They have complete control over all files. That is why it is bad idea to working as root user for normal usage. I hope you understood basics about permissions and how to change it. Let's discuss more about permissions, users and groups in next episode. If you like this video, give your thumbs up. If you have any doubt, comment it below. Share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.